How's it going? In this video I'm going to show you how to turn off vibration on Samsung. So open up your settings and then come down to the sounds and vibration section. Open that up and then from here come down to system vibration. So you can turn off the vibration feedback for certain things, like if it vibrates when you use the Samsung keyboard and you don't like that, you can just toggle that off. And the same for the dialing keypad. But if you want to turn off vibration for everything, then you simply just turn the slider down at the very top to the bottom. You can also turn off the vibration for certain apps. So come out of there into the main settings menu and come down and find apps, and then find an app. So Facebook, for example, tap on it, and then notifications at the top. And then under alerts, you see the way it's set to allowed sound and vibration. You would simply set it to silent. So that's how to turn off vibration on Samsung.